Hey Falcons, it's Coach 2 again. On this episode of Distance Learning with moi, Coach 2, we're going to be going over IXL 6th grade R11 rate and ratio word problems. So get your notebook, paper, pencil, highlighter, eraser, lead pencil, color pencils, all that shebang ready. Let's go ahead and get started.
Okay, let's go ahead and start by reading the word problem together. So the word problem says Charlie is making chocolate cake for his birthday party. He found a recipe that needs 2 cups of cocoa powder for every 3 cups of sugar. All of his friends are coming, so he uses 6 cups of cocoa powder in his cake mix. How many cups of sugar should Charlie use? So before you start, you want to make a proportion or set up a proportion. And again, you want to use words. Words are super important because they help you label and make sure that you are putting the numbers in the correct places. So I'm going to start off with cocoa powder. And then the next step is to fill in the numbers accordingly. So it's 2 cups of cocoa powder and then 3 cups of sugar. And then as I keep reading, the next part says, what if there's 6 cups of sugar? So I'm going to put in the sugar spot. Oops, not 6 cups of sugar, it's 6 cups of cocoa powder. So cocoa powder is on top, so you want to place it on top. And then the question is, how many cups of sugar? We don't know, question mark, or empty space, or we can even use a variable. To solve for this, you want to cross multiply. So some of you may have learned this in the past. So that is 2s. So 2 times s is 2s, or 2 groups of s. And then on the other side, you would have 3 times 6, or 3 groups of 6. And that equals to 18. So you're saying how many groups of s's would you need to make 18? You can either do the guessing game, or the next step would be to divide. So you want to divide by 2 like a fraction, divide by 2, and s equals 9. So then your answer is 9 cups of flour. Oops, 9 cups of sugar. So let's go ahead and see if that's correct. So before you move on, read carefully, underline keywords, and set up a proportion using keywords from the word problem.
Thank you for watching another tutorial with Coach 2. Make sure you subscribe somewhere below, down there. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Again, if you need help, watch it again or send me a quick email and I will do my best to help you. See you soon, guys.